कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन, संरक्षित सुवातो, खाजण जमनी आणि ओलसाण आशिल्ल्यो सुवातो तशेंच पर्यावरणाचे तशेंच संवेदनशील आशिल्ल्या सुवातांचेर होर्डिंग्स लावन जी जायरात जाताली ताचेर उच्च न्यायालयान स्वता जावन दखल घेतिल्ली। उच्च न्यायालयाच्या निरीक्षणा उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री डॉ प्रमोद सावंत हांणी गोंय बाह्य जायरात नियंत्रण विधेयक विधानसभेत मांडिल्लें। हे विधेयक पास करपाची तयारी मुख्यमंत्र्यान तशेंच सभापतीन दाखयल्ली, पूण हळडोणचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरान ताका खर हरकत घेत काय मुद्दे सरकाराच्या नदरेक हाडून दिल्ले। ते उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान हे विधेयक सिलेक्ट कमिटी कडेन धाडपाचो निर्णय घेतलो। सिलेक्ट कमिटीचेर कार्लोस जी दारोलकार आनी विजयाची नेमणूक केल्या।
Honorable Speaker, bill kotasona, I believe that these many bills are coming in the assembly which are being given by somebody else and being forced upon the department, and it must be just zipping through the law department and coming here for consideration. I will show you how this bill, which is supposed to be, please look at the bill, a bill to provide for effective regulation of hoardings in the state. Hoarding bola kite, those big billboards, these are hoardings. Now please look at the next part in the preamble. Whereas there is no special and or specific statute governing the erection, regulation or control of temporary and seasonal structures permitted under coastal regulation zone notification.
Correction of it.
What is this? Opening. Opening, copy, paste, poor job.
CRZ हुई लेगा rules and regulation decide करता ले
No, not a rule and regulation. There is no special specific statute governing erection, temporary and seasonal structures. These are shacks.
No, these are structures on the river side.
No, it's not allowed. I'll show you that.
Will
not
rules
allowed.
and regulations जे असताले तिथं decide करता ले
Prohibited, Mullah. I'll come to it. These are seasonal structures are not advertisements.
जे rules regulations करपाचे आसा बिलाचे त्यांना सगळे norms जे आसा पळय न्ही हे डिसाइड करतले.
No. हांव एजंट, हांव फ्रेम घातलो, मागीर हांव लोकांक आपयतलो, तूं मुगे बोर्डार घाल, मुगे फ्रेमीचे घाल, मुगे होर्डिंगाचे घाल, हांव चार्ज करता तुका. I will be the master of it. So this is what is going to happen. You are going to employ agents. Now please look at section 13, exemption.
ठीक है सर. इतके lengthy discussion आम्ही we are sending it for the select committee.
Awesome.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही।